Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and today's video is going to be a special kind of video. In today's video, actually I'm gonna cover an important news regarding the Textnow application. In this video, I'm not only gonna cover the news, but I'm also gonna show you what are the consequences regarding this news and what is gonna happen to this application users in the future and some more topics. This video is going to be a pretty interesting one, so I hope you guys do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until then. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to support me and to receive daily updates regarding the tech world and all the problem solvings, etc. I also conduct few giveaways. You'll be able to participate and win amounts up to $300. Okay, now guys, the application we are gonna look about is one of the market leaders in the virtual number platforms. It's going to be the Textnow application. This is the Textnow application which I was speaking about. As you can see, this is the application which I was talking about, and I'm gonna be covering the few important Textnow updates regarding which happened in the past year of 2023. For the users who are a regular audience of the Protech Genius channel, already know that I have already posted a video in the same title of Techno Update of 2023. If you guys have not yet, checked out that video, then go please take a look into the video. I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment, so it's going to be available there. So before quitting this video, just go take a look at the comment section. There'll be a few important links regarding the Textnow and some more few common videos. It's going to be definitely helpful for you, so I suggest you go take a look at the comment section. So for the people who are not watched this, in this video of in the previous video which I'm showing you guys in the screen, I covered few important aspects regarding the Textnow's latest update on 2023, but still I missed out a few points, and in this video I'll be covering and explaining all those few points and the reason regarding the Textnow's latest update of 2023. Okay, now before moving on to the update section, I'll be telling you the causes. Not the cause, but what are the problems which are arising due to the Textnow's update of 2023. This update not only affects the Textnow application, but all the applications released by the Textnow Corporation, such as Second Line and Textnow. Uh, and what's more going on is that this update is actually caused by an law passed by the US government and which has been enforced by the FBA. So all the virtual number providing applications such as Text Plus or TextMe is going to make sure this law is implemented, and it's to make sure that the people who are outside the US and Canada regions, especially Asians, are unable to get access to the US phone numbers. So now, because of the update of 2023, in Textnow, there are four important problems arising. The number one problem is going to be the Textnow's installation problem. That is when you go to the Play Store and you try to install the Textnow application. In my case, I'm using an Android device. I guess it's going to be the same for Apple users. You're gonna be displayed an error like this, suggesting that this app isn't available in Google Play in your region if you are located outside the US or Canada region. Okay. The second error is going to be when you're signing up in an application. In the Textnow application, I'll show you guys. When you click on the sign up and when you try to sign up with an email account, you would be shown this error over here. Textnow is unavailable in your country. So with it, it just is limiting its users signing up new users to the region of Canada and USA. All these four errors are actually solvable, but it takes a lot of hard work. Okay, in this video I'll also be showing you ways how to solve all the four errors. Now The third error is going to be the area code error. When you successfully make an account after installing the application, when you go and when you're choosing your own local phone number, Textnow is famous for giving for you getting to choose your own local phone number entirely for free. And in order to do that, you would be required to enter the area code. For example, if you are choosing a new app number, you're going to enter the area code of 315. It's my favorite area code, so I am mentioning that in this video. So in that case, when you go and enter an area code, you're going to get an error. Okay, so that is the third error. The fourth and final error is going to be your account has been disabled error. Just imagine, after all the hardships which you would have gone through, and you successfully make an account, your account gets disabled after, from 3 hours to 3 days. Within that time, your account is going to get disabled, and even when you choose to submit an appeal, you're not going to, you know the problem is not going to be solved. Your account is just going to get disabled. Now, moving on to the reasons. Before moving on to the reasons, in order to solve all of these four errors, what you would have to do is that go to the description or the first comment. There will be a video link for this video. Just go click on this and watch this video in order to entirely understand all the four problems and the reasons and how to solve those four problems. This video will navigate you to a few other videos. For each of these separate errors, I have posted a separate video, and by watching those videos, you'll be able to solve the problems, and you'll be able to use the Textnow application for cold calling or something entirely for free. But it's going to cause you a lot of headache. I'm guaranteeing you. Even for me, who has a lot of experience in this field, even I, when creating my first account, it took me about 40 minutes. But after that, I'm able to successfully make accounts. But I would have to be really careful, and even if I do make a single mistake in any of those steps, I'm gonna not be able to create an account, or even after creating, my account is gonna get disabled. Okay, so we have to be just so careful. We have to be so careful that in order to make sure that our account is not getting disabled. Okay, now this update has taken, is from the version of, I don't know, but right now I'm using 23.43.0.1. Now the year is 2023, so I guess 23 stands for the year. So if you're using older Textnow applications, it may work, but you may be forced update to this latest version or something. From this 23, as you can see, the error is taking place. Okay, now in order to check whether any new update has been launched, remember, I did not install this application from any of the third-party sites, but I installed it from the Google Play Store. But previously I showed you an error, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna once again navigate to Google Play Store. See, this application is over here, and I have the latest version in place. Okay, so in order to solve, that is one way. You could just use the outdated version. In the outdated versions, it may work, I guess. You could try it out and leave it in the comment section. I actually tried it out, but now they they made me to force update my application. But you could turn off the auto update and it may work. Now the reason for the errors occurring regarding the Textnow is that no company is an idiotic or fool company to ban their users, stop users from accessing their services, and reduce their revenue. The only reason they would do is that because of the laws in place. As you all know, right now in the US and Canada regions, there has been a lot of scams going on, mainly due to Asian people. Okay, the people are just scamming the US, or let's say the people in the developing country are scamming the people in the developed country for their money. So in order to stop that, what the US government took action is that they told the FBI to make sure that the people outside the US region are not unable to get the US number as the eSIM. So with that, The FBI issued a warning to the top virtual number providers such as Google Voice, Textnow to stop new users sign up from outside the US and Canada, and to make sure that the people who are already having accounts and who are located outside the US or Canada to disable their accounts. So with that, Textnow, I guess this warning was issued back in 2022, and I guess from March of 2023, I guess I'm not sure, they implemented this laws in place, and with that, the top virtual number providers such as Google Voice and Textnow has been taking up actions, and the date which I'm recording this video is, as you can see, it's 7th of November. Even applications such as Text Plus over here, uh, from I guess October 20 of 2023, they are making sure that the people who are located outside the US or Canada are unable to get access to their local phone numbers, free local phone numbers. Uh, I have actually made a separate video. This was my previous video, uh, showing you guys about the error, that is text plus something went wrong when, as you can see in the thumbnail is small, but whenever the users try to choose a number, they get an error like something has went wrong, please check your connection and try again. All the errors are actually solvable, but solving those errors requires a lot of your time and it's going to take a lot of hardships. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, just go click on thumbs up button below. And if you have any more specific problems which you are facing and you would like me to provide solutions for you, please let me know in the comment section, and please give your suggestions on my channel and the videos I post about. I will take and keep in mind about each and every one of your suggestions. And if you think I am making few mistakes and if you have something to say to me, please feel free to message me via my email or telegram. I'll be happy to respond to most of you. If I have time, I'll respond to each and every one of you, but if I am busy, I'll respond to 2 or 3 people via email and telegram, and I'll reply to 2 or 3 comments. So guys, like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next part of the video. I mean, it's going to be tomorrow. So until then, it's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Bye.